how can I make listing for professional listing. Okay, professional listing you can make go this one here, press and this one step by step show you. Okay, after go here, choose category, which category you use. Me using electronic, I press here. You, if you using this one, press this one. Okay, press this one. After again this one, electronics, if you selling electronic, this one. Okay, after check which one you, let me check one check professional listing. I will teach you everything, don't worry. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, yeah, this one. Press this one. Okay, go. Okay, press here. Okay, and after this one, after next. Okay, done here. Okay, here. Okay, next, step by step I show you. Don't give him anyone money. I will show you all perfect. Use what you want here. You want sell generic, put generic. If you want sell brand, put brand here. My brand is this one. Yes, sir. Okay, I will show you one by one. Okay.